Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel, The Cineglobe. Today, we are breaking down Battle Through the Heavens episode 201, which delivers insane battles, emotional moments, and a massive cliffhanger. This episode focuses on Shao Yan's desperate attempt to save Yao Lao, but things take a shocking turn. Let's dive straight into the full story. Shao Yan leads the rescue mission. The episode begins with Shao Yan and his allies arriving at the Soul Hall branch, where Yao Lao is imprisoned. Knowing the risks, they launch a full-scale attack. While Shao Yan rushes ahead, his team holds off the powerful Soul Hall Do Jun warriors, ensuring he can reach Yao Lao without interference. As Shao Yan moves forward, he is blocked by multiple elite warriors of the Soul Hall. A battle erupts, and using his heavenly flames and Do techniques, Shao Yan destroys everyone in his path. After an intense fight, he finally reaches Yao Lao's prison chamber. After years of separation, Shao Yan and Yao Lao finally meet again. Yao Lao is weakened and bound by powerful Soul Hall chains, but despite his condition, he is relieved to see his disciple standing before him. Shao Yan break the seal, but after Shao Yan free Yao Lao, disaster strikes. Just when everything seems to be going well, Soul Hall's most powerful guardian appears, the Ghost Emperor. A formidable Do Zun powerhouse, the Ghost Emperor's sinister Do Qi fills the air, creating an overwhelming pressure. His presence alone makes it clear that this won't be an easy fight. Seeing the danger, Jiyan steps forward and unleashes her full power. She turns to Shao Yan and says, "I will hold off the Ghost Emperor. Use this time to unleash your heavenly fusion flame." Without hesitation, Jiyan charges at the Ghost Emperor, engaging in an intense battle. Her strength and speed allow her to keep up, but soon, a terrible twist happens. Jiyan's power begins to fade. In the middle of the battle, Jiyan's energy suddenly weakens. Her attacks slow down, and the Ghost Emperor immediately seizes the opportunity. In a split second, he breaks through Jiyan's defense and launches a devastating attack on Shao Yan. Shao Yan is heavily injured but unleashes Heavenly Fusion Flame. Shao Yan takes a direct hit from the Ghost Emperor, suffering serious injuries. Blood spills from his mouth, and he struggles to stand. But in that critical moment, he unleashes his strongest attack, the Heavenly Fusion Flame. A massive explosion of fire and energy engulfs the battlefield, and the Ghost Emperor is heavily injured. The tables have turned, but Shao Yan collapses from exhaustion after using such an immense technique. The shocking cliffhanger to new enemies appear. Just when we think it's over, two mysterious figures arrive, the Black and White Heavenly Elders. These high-ranking Do Zun warriors from the Soul Hall step forward, looking at the injured Ghost Emperor and the unconscious Shao Yan. What will happen next? The episode ends on this intense cliffhanger, leaving us with huge questions. Will Shao Yan survive? Can Yao Lao still be saved? What are the Black and White Heavenly Elders planning? This episode was non-stop action from start to finish. Ji Yan's bravery, Shao Yan's desperation, and the shocking appearance of new Soul Hall enemies make this one of the most intense episodes yet. Now, the big question, what will happen in episode 202? We'll find out next Monday. Until then, like, share, and subscribe for more episode breakdowns.